What is up, beautiful humans of the internet? My name is Sarah Michaels. Welcome back to another video. I am your marketing and funnel mentor, helping you attract your perfect prospect online, automate your business, and live your dream life. Today's tutorial is going to be a ClickFunnels tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to change that. Basically, when you're sharing your link on ClickFunnels onto different places, you want to change the little preview that pops up, and we call this the social share preview. Like, what's going to look at, so instead of having like the ClickFunnels image and ClickFunnels link, you can update your own image and description. So I'm actually here logged into a client dashboard today, and so we're going to be using her funnels as an example. Say hi to Megan, by the way. Megan is fantastic. She is an entrepreneur and she is in the network marketing space, and she's also a rocket scientist, which I tell everybody because it is so cool. She works at NASA. She's amazing. So we are in here playing in her funnels today, which, by the way, if you need a funnel coach or funnel help or anything, I do take private clients on occasion, so you can feel free to apply if you want. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's go ahead and pull up, let's pull up this page right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, and when you open up, we're going to go into the edit page, and this is going to bring the full funnel page editor up. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into the settings and then the SEO metadata. Okay, so inside of that, so if you check again and you click on settings, SEO metadata, this is going to pull up your social share page right here, where you can update. If you look here, you can update the little image that appears. You can, which, by the way, all you have to do is click on this, the image, and you can put in whatever image that you want to add. Okay. So whatever that looks like for you, you can add that image on your social image. You can put the keywords, the author, the description, the metadata, and then it will automatically load that for you. So that's how to update that. And then once you have finished, go back to the main page, make sure that you click save, and it will automatically save that information. And the next time that you are sharing your link on social media, or if you're posting on a Facebook or something, it should pop up with your picture, your information, instead of defaulting to the ClickFunnels one. And the next thing I do just want to tell you really, really quick is I always make sure when I'm going in here, I go down to the settings and then the general settings, and I always click on affiliate badge, hide. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and click off and then click save again. Now, the reason that I hide the affiliate badge is because otherwise, when someone lands on this website, the little ClickFunnels thing pops up on the bottom, and it's like ClickFunnels, which you've probably seen before. And that just means somebody forgot to turn it off. And I don't want anyone to get distracted by shiny objects or other buttons or, ooh, squirrel, when they're on my site. Like, I don't want, no, because confusion or distraction kills conversion. So make sure you turn that off. Go ahead, click on save, give it a couple minutes in order to refresh, and then it should be there. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial today. If you found it helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and be sure to check the description for freebies, bonuses, and also how you can access my course, Instant Funnel Magic, as well as my entire funnel swipe file. So you're welcome. Go ahead, check that out down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.